What's going on, everybody? I hope everyone's having an amazing day today. I'm back with another video talking about volume and how it affects the stock market. So pretty much what volume is a number of transactions made in a certain amount of period, and my volume is overlapping the graph with these blue bars. Each candlestick shows the number of transactions made within a certain time period. If you hover over it on the very top, you can see the volume number is 72,979 for this candlestick. You can use volume for your advantage to identify the direction of the graph, bounces and pullbacks. So how does volume work exactly? Well, when a stock is lower or at its support, there tends to be more volume and more buyers, because buyers like to buy at the bottom and sell at the top, and vice versa. When a stock is usually higher, usually near the resistance, there's less volume and less buyers. So we see here, it's at the bottom. The volume, the blue bar, is very high, and when it gets near the top, the blue bar tends to go very low compared to this, right? So here it goes again. The graph tends to come back to its support at the bottom VWAP. The blue bars start to come back up, and when you get to the top at its resistance, the middle VWAP, you can see that the blue bars are much lower, and then it happens again. It comes back down a lot lower, and you can see the blue bars just skyrocket. A lot of buyers want to buy at the lowest point possible, and you can see here when it breaks this point and reaches this resistance, the blue bars are very low. So you can use volume to help you identify when is a good time to buy and sell. So it's always better to buy at the bottom, sell at the top, because that's how you make your money, of course. So I hope everyone is having a great day. Continue to be patient, self-disciplined, and work hard to your success. I hope everyone's having a fantastic, the rest of their week. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.